Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy Case Study by Skilled MBA. Lego's origin is rooted in craftsmanship and innovation, starting as a small Danish workshop. Its philosophy emphasizes creativity and quality, laying the foundation for a global toy empire. This ethos has driven Lego's growth, enabling it to become a beloved brand worldwide, inspiring generations through imaginative play and educational value. Lego's strategic transformation under Jørgen Vig Knudstorp was pivotal. Facing a crisis, Lego embraced innovation and efficiency, focusing on core products and customer engagement. This strategic recovery not only stabilized the company, but also set the stage for future growth, demonstrating resilience and adaptability in a competitive market. Founded in 1932 by Ole Kirk Christensen, Lego's name, derived from leg god, meaning play well, embodies its commitment to quality and creativity. The 1958 patented interlocking brick system laid the foundation for a global empire, fostering infinite building possibilities. Lego's core philosophy, learning through play, transcends cultures, promoting creativity and problem-solving. A Lego brick from 1958 still fits perfectly with one made today, thanks to a manufacturing tolerance of just 0.01 millimeters. This engineering excellence fosters creativity and problem-solving, building customer trust. However, this precision also posed challenges during Lego's digital transformation, as maintaining such quality standards required significant adaptation. In 2003, Lego faced a financial crisis with a RSI 5,600 crore debt and a 30% sales decline. Excessive diversification into clothing, theme parks, and video games diverted focus from core products. Rising competition from digital entertainment and counterfeit products compounded issues. Operational complexity with 12,000 suppliers and over 10,000 elements further strained resources. In 2004, Jørgen Vig Knudstorp, a former McKinsey consultant, became Lego's first non-family chief executive officer. He introduced the Manage for Value strategy, emphasizing cash flow and profitability. Knudstorp's analytical and disciplined approach was pivotal in steering Lego from near bankruptcy to profitability within 3 years. The rebuild strategy involved significant cost-cutting, including reducing the workforce by 1,000 and selling Legoland parks. Product lines were optimized by cutting brick variants from 12,900 to 7,000 and eliminating unprofitable lines. Supply chain restructuring moved 80% of production to lower-cost countries and reduced suppliers by 80%. The focus returned to core products, leveraging fan communities for development. During the pandemic, under CEO Niels Christensen, Lego experienced unprecedented growth. In 2021, revenue soared to 55.3 billion Danish krone, marking a 36% increase year over year. This success secured a 27% share in the global toy market, highlighting Lego's resilience and strategic prowess in navigating challenging times. The Lego brand ecosystem is vast, encompassing the core brick business with 7 billion sets sold annually. Lego Education provides science, technology, engineering, and mathematics solutions in over 60,000 schools. Legoland parks attract 15 million visitors yearly. Lego Ventures invests in learning through play, while Lego Entertainment expands reach through films, TV shows, and digital content. Lego's digital transformation faces significant hurdles. Despite efforts, products like Lego Universe, massively multiplayer online game, and Lego Dimensions failed, and mobile games lag behind competitors. Meanwhile, Minecraft thrives, selling 238 million copies. Lego grapples with the innovator's dilemma, evolving digitally without compromising its core brick business. Lego's evolution involved 5 strategic phases: repairing finances and refocusing on core competencies, diversifying through partnerships with major franchises, expanding internationally with investments in China and India, transforming operations with agile manufacturing and sustainable materials, and aiming for a sustainable future with plant-based bricks and carbon-neutral goals by 2030. Lego's international growth strategy targets high-growth markets, crucial for sustaining momentum. In 2016, they opened a manufacturing facility in Jiaxing, China, and expanded Indian operations with offices in Mumbai. A manufacturing facility in Vietnam is planned by 2024. Their localization strategy includes region-specific products like Lego Monkey Kid for China and focuses on India's growing middle class with educational toys. Balancing digital innovation with traditional brick sales is crucial. Lego must integrate digital gaming and metaverse experiences without undermining physical products. Sustainability remains a challenge. Achieving environmental goals while maintaining product durability is essential. The educational market offers growth potential, but should Lego pivot more heavily towards it as a core strategy? Develop a digital physical hybrid platform to integrate Lego Play with digital experiences. Expand Lego education in emerging markets like India, focusing on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Lead in sustainable manufacturing by innovating in eco-friendly materials. Extend the Lego brand beyond toys, ensuring quality control to maintain brand identity. Thank you for joining Skilled MBA. We hope you enjoyed this strategic case study on Lego's transformation journey. Stay tuned for more global case studies where business meets strategy and legacy meets reinvention.